One area that usually acquires stubborn fat is the arms. After you have toned the rest of your body through rigorous exercise, this type of fat will still stick around. With the right exercise routine, it is possible to tone your biceps and get rid of unwanted fat around your arms. Stand upright with your legs and feet apart. Stretch your arms in front of you, in the shape of letter V. Bring your arms in to cross each other in the shape of the letter X. This is known as scissors exercise, or crisscross exercise. Do this for 30 seconds. Then rest your arms by your sides, and relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. This exercise is very simple. Stand upright with your legs and feet little apart. Raise your hands up, and then bring them down. Gradually increase the speed and do it vigorously. Do this for 30 seconds. Then rest your arms by your sides, and relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. It may look simple but has lots of benefits when it comes to tone the muscles of your arms so that they look thin. In a standing position, lift one arm up above your head and bend it so you reach towards your back, behind your head. With the opposite hand, gently push back against the bent elbow. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in the triceps. Remove hold and relax, then repeat with the opposite arm. This makes the muscles stronger and more flexible, and therefore able to do more exercises. Green tea can help you lose weight. The flavonoids and caffeine in green tea can help elevate metabolic rate. Start your day with a cup of green tea, and drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day. To add little zing, you can add few mint leaves and ginger to your green tea. You can also add few drops of lemon juice. Green tea is available in different flavors, so you can choose one that suits your taste. Green tea contains potent antioxidants and various components that speed up your metabolism rate. This will help you burn extra calories and lose weight. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.